Hello guys, Ivan here and welcome to Mercedes-Benz Sindelfingen. So here is the largest Mercedes-Benz plant in the world and also the oldest one. And I will show you around this customer center where every day are handed over 250 vehicles to new owners. So this is the entrance to the customer center. Here you can also see the factory tour which I took. And I will tell you a little bit about it. So here in Mercedes-Benz Sindelfingen is produced the S-Class, E-Class and also the AMG GT family. So here we can see the AMG GT 4-door. So this is either 53 or 43 engine variant. It wasn't shown in the back, but some people actually which walk near the car, they thought that this is the V8 model. So, because if you order the V8 optic pack, then it looks somewhat like a V8, but you can easily recognize 53 or 43 engine model with the round exhaust pipes. And there is also full review of the 43 series coming to my channel, so subscribe for that. And there is also nice E53, and we can see the factory a little bit. And here is a charging for electric B classes. So here at Sindelfingen there are working 25,000 employees, and this was founded in 1915, so over 100 years old factory. We can see also the Smart, which is part of the Daimler Group, and this is new electric EQ42 Smart. So really cool customer center. So if you walk in this customer center, you can see this help desk for the factory tours. They will give you a card and then you can go on the factory tour. Here we can see some products, so these are Maybach merchandise actually. So you can buy a very different kind of merchandise. Mercedes-Benz, Maybach and then also the AMG. And here we can see the Mercedes-AMG GT, and this is in brilliant blue metallic. So this car is also produced here, the GT family. The engine is handcrafted in Falterbach, which is like 1 hour away from the Sindelfingen. And then the engine is shipped here, and then the engine is installed into this vehicle, into the GT series. So pretty cool to see that. And there we can see the also first ever automobile in the world. And here you can see interior of this car, and this is of course made by Center of Excellence by the two-tone steering wheel, so you can do any combination in the world if you desire. Here is a little older M157, so this is V8 by turbo, the predecessor of M177 V8 engine, which is currently in the production. So really cool to see that. So here in this area the new customers are waiting in their order and they are receiving new vehicles. They need to sign all the paperwork, etc., like in a normal showroom. So a lot of German customers are going here for the European delivery, but also some customers from different parts of the world. here you can see actually the room where they are handed over the vehicles, so really excited to see that. And then I took a tour of the Mercedes-Benz Sindelfingen factory, which is the largest factory in the world of the Mercedes-Benz brand, and I was very surprised that this was for free, so I didn't have to pay anything.
Here in Sindelfingen we produce every day 1,700 cars. So every 50 seconds one Mercedes. Every 50 seconds a E-Class or a S-Class, CLS or a GT, AMG.
A variety of joining technologies, like lasers and high adhesive glue. One of the most important joining techniques is still welding. A Mercedes has over 4,000 welding points, and every single one must be perfect.
So right now I want to talk you something about my experience in the factory. So I saw how is hand built the parts of the S-Class, how are they hand assembled in the final stage. Also I saw the welding process of the A-Class and how the robots are welding the chassis of the A-Class, and then their chassis shipped to the different factory. Here you can see some procedures and the painting and etc. So you can stop the video and read that if you are curious to see. So then we saw all kinds of different cars being built for whole world. So actually the S-Class is built here for the every part of the world, and then it's shipped to each country. And our guide Wilson was very cool to answer all of our questions, so that was really interesting. And also here we can find the design team of the Mercedes-Benz in this Sindelfingen area. So here you can see some gaming on the AMG performance seats, and here you can see the first ever automobile. On 29th January 1886, Benz applied for a patent on his gas-powered vehicle. So that was actually the first ever car in the world. And then 2 years later, Bertha Benz, his wife, she took on 1 August day this first ever automobile for a drive, 180 kilometers journey from Mannheim to Pforzheim. So that was really curious to see. And here we can see the Dtm Championship Car in orange matte paintwork. Dtm is based on the looks, basically on the series production, but it's widely reworked for the racetrack. Cool, and this lighting on the ceiling is evenly distributed to this section, so that's really amazing. Actually, you can make your own keychain, which is engraved by a laser, and you can do signature by digital pen on the iPad, or you can do normal text, normal font. So I decided to do my own, and I choose the normal font in bold spec. So that's really an interesting process. And here you can see my keychain, really cool. And here you can see some merchandise, so you can find all kinds of merchandise here, from baby seats until the cosmetics for the car and cleaning products, and also all kinds of stuff. So I wanted to show this because some people might be interested to see this. So you can find bags for smart and really little baby smart models, and also G-classes and police cars from Mercedes, even AMG GT. And you can find also some clothing. So here is clothing by AMG, and you have some caps from the F1 racing team, which achieved 6th consecutive championship in constructors and also in drivers championship. So huge congrats to Mercedes-AMG F1 team. And here you can see some t-shirts, Valtteri Bottas, Lewis Hamilton, and general team shirts. And you have also some clothing for golf. So guys, that's it for this video. I'm really excited that I could bring you this full review of this amazing place, Mercedes-Benz Sindelfingen. And if you liked it, then give this video a like, comment down below what do you find the most interesting about this place, subscribe for plenty more videos, and I will see you soon in the next video. Have a wonderful day!